Jennifer, and I'm so happy you're here today for the Cozy Christmas Tree Decorating Vibes collaboration. This collaboration is hosted by the Grace Life DIY Home Decor, Debbie Bubbles, Design with Emma, Donna Decor and More, Sandy Lynn's Home and Garden, Dream with Caroline, and me, Jennifer at Home. I am so happy to share this beautiful tree with you. This is a tree that my husband bought last season after the Christmas sales at Michael's. He really liked this tree, and we needed a small tree that we could put in the entryway of our home. This is our front door where we come in, and we have the tree right here to greet guests right when they come in the house. Our wonderful dear friend Sharon gifted us these beautiful ornaments, and we didn't have an extra tree to put them on. So my husband went to Michael's and he found this really nice tree that was just the right size. And in the after Christmas sales, it was a really good price as well. Our friend Sharon found these beautiful ornaments along the way and put them together in really nice grouping. They coordinate all so nicely together and they're just beautiful. I love all of the pretty shades of pink and dusty rose and gold and champagne. This is the perfect tree to remind us of our new little granddaughter. We're so excited and happy to have a granddaughter, and I know she's gonna really love these beautiful shades of pink on this tree with all of the little pearls one day when she gets a little bit older. Our friend Sharon also gave us this beautiful cross ornament with beautiful pearls and rhinestones. I took a piece of pipe cleaner that's in a shade of green with greenery on the outside, and I glued it on in the middle, and then we twisted it around the top branch of the tree. It makes the perfect tree topper. And then we were recently at the Cracker Barrel restaurant and store, and we found this beautiful little crown, and we slipped the crown right over the top. All of the beautiful jewels match everything on the tree and the beautiful cross. And of course the coordinating pearl garland and little pearl and crystal ornaments. I already had this beautiful little tree skirt with a furry edge and little pearl accents. It was the perfect tree skirt for this beautiful little tree. This lovely little tree from Michael's was already pre-lit, so we were so happy that it already had beautiful white lights. I really enjoyed spending this time with you and showing you all of these beautiful special ornaments on this Christmas tree. I would be so happy if you check out all of the other channels listed below, and be sure to hit the like button and subscribe. And I'll see you next time.